Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can now remove the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. You then need to remove the front mudguard on the right-hand side to access the belt accessories. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, remove the 2 screws located on the mudguard. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a 60mm ring wrench or Allen wrench, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all of the pulleys. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. You can now put the mudguard back on. Reconnect the battery. You can put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.